what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Lady. Come spend a miserable day with me. A miserable ass Saturday at that. Are you? Ooh. Hold on. Alright, what's up, YouTube? We back with this miserable video. Y'all, they finna move, I think, a refrigerator, stove, washer, and dryer. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I'm too short, too little, and too weak. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm not weak. But that stuff is heavy, and I'm not finna carry that all the way to this truck. So, I'm gonna just sit in the car like a pretty princess and let them do all the work. Y'all, I'm so bored. And for y'all that's wondering, like, why you not at the house with the other kids? Where's the other kids? My best friend dad do construction work, so we not always gonna be at the house with the other kids. And plus, being at the house with the other kids is boring because they don't do nothing but sit around and play Roblox and don't want to do anything. So, and y'all, I already tried making skits with them. They don't want to do that. They don't know what line to pick, what row they want to do and stuff. They just be making it a big deal. And that be pissing me off and making me mad. So I just say, forget it. I'm not going to do skits with y'all because y'all do too much. Y'all act like it's so hard to just pick a role and say your line. Somebody calling her. Hold on, y'all. Well, he behind today. Well, that's my best friend. Hi, guys. There go the old lady. But yeah, y'all, I don't make skits with them. I tried, and yeah, it was gonna be my first skit I did with them, but like they just couldn't get to like do it very well. So I said, forget it. I'm gonna just do it by myself when I go back home, cause it's not that hard to do a skit, especially when you could just freestyle your line. It's not that hard. But they made it a big deal, so yeah, that's why we never did it. So y'all just be getting regular skits with me, and I'll be the main character and stuff like that, and the star. Anyways, look, what is this girl doing? Get in the dolly. Somebody was calling you. Oh, look, they finna move the refrigerator. Oh, wait, no, the stove out next. Y'all watch this. Somebody's phone keep ringing. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep moving it. Watch. My man sweating already, bruh. Ooh, watch your toes. Watch it, your feet. They doing a very good job. Ooh, y'all hear that wind? beautiful stuff. Y'all, we back at the house, and my best friend is painting the wall. Why you always sticking your tongue out like ew?
It's cute like that. That's right.
That's not cute. Ain't nothing cute about that.
So let's do an apple.
This is her project, guys. Painting a wall. Hey, y'all! What's up? Alright, y'all. What the heck?
Exactly. Toto, Summer. Angela, I'm gonna beat you.
Alright, y'all. We had a good time today and tonight.
I got for y'all. Wow, we had a good time.
That was Lisha.
Every y'all bump y'all make sound like y'all coming to the front.
I remember that.
We're gonna see y'all tomorrow in the
Yeah,
next
we'll see
video.
y'all tomorrow.
And I'm hot. I've been doing a granny dance.
Y'all.
You don't even know what to say.
But anyways, y'all,
You
this is
put
the
me
end
on
of the video. Yeah.
Make sure you like the video,
And
comment down
subscribe, join the family.
below, and turn on the post notifications.
If you don't join the family, then you gay.
And you musty. We out. Bye, y'all.
I walk straight to the neck. When I push a good wrinkle, watch me hit on with that flick.